There are humanoid robots that everyone is talking about right now, like Tesla's Optimus or Figure 3.
But while the world is looking over there, 3 new hidden robots have just appeared out of nowhere, and they are ready to change the global workforce forever. YouTube might not show them to you, but today, here at The Replacement 2026, we are revealing them all. Let's take a deep look into the real machines that are silently preparing to replace human labor.
Let's begin our countdown with a machine we like to call the Speed Demon. This is the Astribot S1.
A new humanoid robot designed by Mission Robotics in China that is breaking all experimental records. Just look at the way it moves. It's important to understand that this footage is not accelerated. This is its real-time speed inside the testing facility. This incredible machine can move its robotic arms at a top speed of 10 meters per second, allowing it to complete complex tasks in a fraction of a second. Furthermore, it can handle a maximum payload of 10 kilograms per arm without losing any balance or changing its acceleration. What makes this even more impressive is the consistency of its performance. Human workers naturally become tired after repeating the same movement thousands of times, causing small errors to appear over time. The Astribot S1, however, can maintain the same level of precision hour after hour without losing concentration. This combination of speed, accuracy, and endurance is exactly what many manufacturing companies have been trying to achieve for decades. But the truly spectacular data is its micro-accuracy. The S1's mechanical hands feature a precision error of less than 0.1 millimeters. This level of extreme control is exactly why you see it performing high-difficulty human tasks, such as opening a bottle of wine with a traditional corkscrew, peeling potatoes with a sharp metal blade, folding delicate clothes perfectly, and even replicating advanced martial arts moves with perfect fluid motion. The engineering team achieved this by using customized high-torque servo drivers and advanced imitation learning algorithms, meaning the robot watches a human do a chore once and instantly replicates it at maximum speed. It is built to completely automate domestic kitchens and precise assembly lines very soon. Another major advantage is scalability. Once a task is successfully learned by one unit, that knowledge can be transferred across an entire fleet of robots almost instantly. Instead of training hundreds of employees individually, a company could deploy dozens of identical machines capable of performing the same operation with nearly perfect consistency. This dramatically reduces training costs and accelerates large-scale automation projects.
Moving on to our second contender, prepare to meet the ChatGPT with legs. This is the MenteeBot, created by Robotics.
Visually, it stands out due to its smooth white armor and unique proportions, but the real revolution lies deep inside its digital brain. Unlike traditional industrial machinery, MenteeBot does not use pre-programmed lines of code or rigid, stiff commands. Instead, its entire operation runs on an advanced end-to-end neural network. This means the robot can listen to your natural human voice, understand complex vocal instructions, and figure out how to solve a problem right on the spot without needing any software updates. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of this technology is its ability to interact naturally with people who have no technical knowledge whatsoever. Workers do not need to learn programming languages or complicated interfaces. They can simply speak to the robot as they would to a human colleague. This removes one of the biggest barriers that has traditionally slowed down the adoption of advanced robotics in everyday workplaces. It stands at a fully human height and features a highly advanced walking algorithm that mimics human weight distribution and leg articulation perfectly. The robot balances its entire mass using real-time physics simulators. In this official footage, you can see it navigating busy offices, adapting its stance instantly when carrying heavy crates, and dynamically avoiding moving obstacles that appear out of nowhere. The company is positioning this machine as the ultimate general-purpose worker. It is literally designed to walk into a new warehouse, an office building, or a private house, listen to the manager's verbal orders, and start working efficiently on day one. The company also believes that future versions of the system will become increasingly capable through continuous real-world experience. Every new environment presents fresh challenges, allowing the AI to refine its decision-making process over time. If successful, this approach could create one of the first truly adaptable humanoid workers capable of handling an enormous variety of tasks across multiple industries.
Finally, it is time to reveal the Outdoor Conqueror. If you thought humanoid robots were only meant to stay inside clean, safe, air-conditioned laboratories, think again.
This is the XBot-L, developed by the engineering team at RobotEra. While other tech giants keep their multi-million-dollar machines behind protective glass walls, these engineers decided to test their humanoid robot in one of the hardest outdoor environments on Earth, the steep terrain of the Great Wall of China. Outdoor environments are notoriously difficult for autonomous machines because conditions can change within seconds. Uneven surfaces, unexpected obstacles, and unpredictable weather create challenges that are rarely found inside controlled facilities. The fact that the XBot-L can operate effectively under these circumstances demonstrates just how rapidly humanoid robotics is advancing beyond laboratory demonstrations and into practical, real-world applications. Watch it run, climb, and descend these ancient, uneven, and broken stone steps entirely on its own. The spectacular part of this technology is its advanced perceptual AI combined with deep reinforcement learning. The XBot-L doesn't just walk blindly using pre-mapped data. Its sensor array reads the complex terrain in real time, instantly adjusting its mechanical joints and recovering its center of gravity when it trips on an obstacle or encounters a sudden steep slope. It can handle wind, dust, changing temperatures, and open-air weather conditions without any systemic failures. This is a massive milestone for the robotics industry because it proves that humanoids are finally durable enough to step outside the lab and replace human labor in heavy construction sites, perimeter patrol, emergency response, and complex outdoor operations. 3 completely different robots and 3 massive leaps in technology. Incredible speed and micro-precision with the Astribot S1, natural language learning with the MenteeBot, and extreme outdoor endurance with the XBot-L.
Thank you so much to our 92 subscribers for joining the channel family. Don't forget to hit that like button to support our work, and we will see you all in the future.